Hey guys, it's Chef May here coming to you on a beautiful snow day. Wanted to take you in my yard so you see like the first droppings of some snow for the year. It's gorgeous the way it outlines the trees and the yards, the ground. Everything is just a beautiful snow day. So I just want to take you on a little journey with me. And it's on days like this that I just like to take a look outside and from the inside, because who loves the cold like that? I don't. So on days like this, I like to make a warm, hot, a hot pot of some Jamaican cornmeal porridge. So come with me on this video as I show you how to make a really tasty, perfectly smooth cornmeal porridge. So here guys, we have a boiling pot of water. You want to add some salt to that, about a teaspoon of salt to that. And then you just get a certain amount, whatever amount of dry cornmeal that you want. And in a different plate, you want to put some water and just stir that up. Just get it to loosen up in the water. Let it get somewhat combined. It's not going to be completely combined, so don't add too much water. That's why I wanted to show you guys here the consistency that you see me doing. You see me moving over the dry cornmeal and then adding some more water here. And that's just to get a nice little consistency. Remember, it's dry, so it's not going to be completely combined. And right there, that's where you get a really good consistency. Alright, so to that, I add to the pot of water the plate that you just saw me combine. And just like grits, you're going to continually stir this until the consistency of the cornmeal in the boiling pot of water becomes thickened. So continue to go ahead, and this is a nice consistency you see here as I continue to stir until you have a thickened consistency. You want to keep the fire down to low once it thickens. And here are the ingredients. I will list the ingredients below. These are some of the ingredients that I will be adding, and I am using almond milk. So the almond milk is to your choice, how thick you like your porridge. I like a smooth drinking consistency, so I add a little bit at a time. I stir, wait till it thickens, and if I like the consistency, I keep it as such. If it's too thick for me, I go ahead and add some more almond milk. Mind you, the pot is still on a low heat. So you want to keep the fire still at a low medium, or maybe like a high low, like a low high, not high at all. Perfect consistency there. Then you start to add your ingredients: sugar, some condensed milk. Again, it will be in the description below. All the other ingredients is be added after that. And you continuously to stir. When it comes to the cinnamon and the nutmeg, they tend to bunch up once you put them in the porridge. So what you want to do is press it along the sides of the pot. That way it can break it up into like a liquidy form, and then you continue to stir so it's evenly combined in the porridge. You don't want lumps of cinnamon or lumps of nutmeg in your porridge. You want a nice smooth consistency throughout. There you go. You want that perfect consistency. That's the consistency I like. Sometimes I like to put it into a nice bowl and drink it. Top it off with a little extra cinnamon, as you see here. And there you have it, a hot bowl of cornmeal porridge. Thank you for sharing and visiting me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thumbs up. Bye.